Hey everyone, welcome to the Planner Spot. I'm Sam, and today I'm going to do a reveal of our October monthly subscription. So if you haven't received yours yet and you want to be surprised, then click out now, but make sure to come back when you get your sub and unbox it with us. So as always, I'll show the sticker kit first, and then I'll warn you before I show the stationery items in case you want to be surprised on that part. I'll make sure to give you fair warning. Okay, so here is our last kit for 2021. I'm super excited to start a new monthly subscription year where I'm going to do a few tweaks to the sticker kit, freshen it up a bit, give you guys some new stuff for 2022. I also wanted to mention that just like we do every year, I'm going to offer bundles of all the kits that we had from January through December of 2021 that you can buy at a slightly discounted rate. So if you missed any kits throughout the year, or you just wanted to buy a whole new set for 2022, then you can do that the first Friday of November. So here's the sticker kit. As always, you get a free add-on sheet. So this is our December add-on, and I think it's so pretty. So you get 4 full boxes. This is a little bit more narrow than the standard full box. I always like to give everyone a heads up just in case you don't know that already. Pretty sweater stack, some pine cones, a Christmas tree, a little champagne for your New Year's Eve week, and then this sticker strip here says celebrate. I thought it was really pretty, muted, giving off that kind of like white Christmas vibe. So I really like that. That's the freebie. And then here's the kit. So for the full sticker kit subscription, you get 4 sheets in addition to the freebie. So this is sheet A, and it's for December. So you get your deco here, your circle icons with little mittens for like the first day of winter, little toasting glasses for New Year's Eve, your 4 headers, and then 2 thin strips of washi. And I really love how this pattern turned out, so beautiful. So that's sheet A. Sheet B are your full boxes. Again, remember they're 1¼ inch wide. People seem to really like this size too because it fits in the more narrow planner spreads like for Hobonichi and stuff like that. So you get 8 of them. Light pink backgrounds, gray backgrounds, and plain white backgrounds with all this pretty, just a holiday type vibe, winterish and stuff like that. So you get the 8 boxes and then a skinny strip of washi there. That's sheet B. Sheet C are your quarter boxes, half boxes, habit trackers, and list boxes. Again, with that really pretty like lace snowflake background. And then the white, gray, and pink backgrounds and a little bit of deco. And then sheet D have these icon boxes with the same backgrounds, some more circle icons, a whole bunch of headers, and then another thin strip of washi. So that's what you get for the full sticker kit. If you subscribe to the mini sticker kit, you get the same freebie add-on and the same sheet A, but then you get this sheet E, which are 4 full boxes, some flags, quarter boxes, and half boxes. So just a combination of the other sheets. So you get those 3 sheets if you subscribe to the mini sticker kit subscription. So now I'm going to show you the stationery subscription, which has the mystery items. So if you want to be surprised, click out now. Make sure you come back. So I'll start off with this freebie card. This matches the card in our last sub, which was the if found, then return to owner card. This is the in case of emergency card, so it has a spot to put your emergency contact, their phone number, and any medical info that you have just in case you're unconscious or something and they need to know that you have some kind of medical condition. I put that there. So that's the vertical orientation, and then on the back is the horizontal. So depending on what your pocket configuration is in your wallet or your planner, you can use one of the sides or you can flip it around as you change planners. So that's the freebie card in the stationery sub. And then you also get 2 pieces of vellum. So these are 6 by 8.5 inches, and you just trim it down to your planner size. This month we did a fur vellum, which we've done fur in the past. I just love it so much, and I think it's perfect for the winter season as we enter the colder weather. And then this sweater stack, and I don't know if you guys noticed, but it matches the freebie here. I just really love the colors of these sweaters and how it looks, so I decided to make it into a sticker and vellum. And I just thought this was so pretty to layer in your planners for that sweater weather vibe. And so now I'll show you the mystery items, which are actually packaged together. So really the mystery items started off with these sticky notes, so I'm gonna open this up. So first are these 3 sticky notes. So these are page flag size. This is like a 1 inch by 2 inch size, and this is a 2 by 2 inch size. So this is like a light pink color. This is it was supposed to be like a nude color, but it has like undertones of like peach kind of. And this is like a light medium gray color. I love them so much. I love the sizes. These are the sizes I really wanted to use in my planner, and I thought it was just a great variety of sizes for your different needs. Also note that these aren't transparent sticky notes. These are your regular paper sticky notes, which I personally prefer. I really love the aesthetic and look of clear sticky notes, but I really use my sticky notes functionally and write on them, and I only use my friction pen in my planner. And I have just found that I don't like the way my friction pen writes on transparent sticky notes, so I decided to go with paper. So hopefully you guys like that. I mean, I feel like there's plenty of shops that offer the transparent sticky notes that you can get from, but I wanted to do something a little bit different, and I personally prefer paper sticky notes. So I hope you guys like it. And then I thought about a little pouch. So this is a laminated vellum pouch that are handmade by one of my planner besties, and it's closed by Velcro. So this is pretty thick, it's really durable. And I thought not only is this a good pouch to use for stickers, inserts, or whatever you want, but it was a great way to package these sticky notes inside. I thought it was super cute, but I also want to just show you guys another reason why I decided to do this vellum pouch. So I keep it here in my stationery pouch, and in here I have my sticker book and the vellum pouch. So I still do use the sticker book, and I love it so much. The only thing is that it doesn't fit in this pouch very well. So that's why I moved back into this sticker book. So I'm using this sticker book for my smaller sticker sheets, and then I'm using this sticker book for all my kits, so past kits. So past and future kits are in here. And then what I'm using my pouch for is the current month sticker kit. So in here, we're in October, I just have the October sticker kit in here. So it's really handy to have just the current sticker kit in here along with my sticker book inside my stationery pouch. So when I go travel, like I recently did a short road trip to LA, I just took these things along with all this stuff and popped it into my luggage, and I had all my planning on the go. So that was another reason I decided to go with the pouch. So I hope you guys really like it. I also decided to go with just plain rather than a design because number one, I felt like seeing your stickers through this pouch would be super cute. Also, it's just super minimalistic and will go with any aesthetic. So I hope you guys like that. I really love mine. Oh, I also wanted to show you the sticky notes. So I have mine here. You guys might have seen it in some recent videos, but I have mine right here in the front pocket because these are the ones I use the most. And then I have my page flags in here, and then this one here I actually have on my desk. So there's the sub reveal of all our October monthly subscriptions. Spots for our October subs are now closed, but spots for our November subs will open on November 1st. If you have any questions about our monthly subscriptions, leave them in the comments below or send me an email, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.